For the union makes us strong.
Ucio ni mugambo ugikinyereria urume wa Kiama kia Arigitani goko bururi-ini Kmpdu makinyitanira na honge ingi cia Urigitani na uruti wa wira wa muingi Makimenereirie watho mweru wa Marihi ma Urigitani wa Social Health Insurance Act wa mwaka wa 2023.
In this country, public participations have been reduced to public manipulation because from the memorandums that were submitted by these bodies, including Kenya Medical Association that was present in this particular gathering, we realized that the memorandums that were submitted by Kenya Medical Association, by the civil societies, by Kmpdu, by FKE, by all these bodies, they were not looked into, and the advices, the proposals were not considered. And that's why we find this bill, as much as it comes out as a Social Health Insurance Act, it's more, and it seems, and it's quite clear that it's a vendor-driven venture.
Ndomereri-ini yao Kmpdu kuhetukira Mwandiki Munene Davji Atellah maugite ati watho ucio githondekwo mawoni mao Matiakuruhanirio ndereti-ini iyo na Makiria uri Mugaru na Gatiba ya bururi kuona ati ndurathingata Section 5 ya Medical Schemes Act.
We have seen that they succeeded in having the teachers and in having the police within that particular scheme. Now they were making it possible to have that scheme, to have the public servants go to that scheme by interfering with this particular act. And that's why it is very clear in this act that the Social Health Insurance Act will not provide that scheme to remove that computation.
Makiria Kmpdu ni mateterithitie ati watho ucio urongoreirie gubara mbeca cia Kenya kuona ati niguo mundu amukire motungata rungu rwa watho ucio no nginyagia arihire mbere na hau kabere na Makiria urongoreirie kuguna andu kiumbe na muno makiria magiukuruhania na itua ria thirikari iria kurogota magoti na njira nene kuma kuri muingi.
Is unconstitutional since it steals away from ourselves the basic right is enshrined in Article 43 of the Constitution on freedom to access health care services.
Riu makiringithania watho ucio na mutaratara wa hau kabere wa NHIF, Kmpdu maugite ati ni ndeto yake hakuona thirikari ikieheria mutaratara wa NHIF itakuheana itumi njiganu cia mathina maria makoretwo makigomera mutaratara ucio na riu makauga ati kiria thirikari igirekire ni kurunga NHIF no ti guthie na mbere na kumiteaniria kuona ati ni iragunaga muingi nginyagia kumatha motungata ma urigitani nginyagia nja wa bururi.
We know that NHIF issues that have been with it is accountability, which requires streamlining. But here we see a total overhaul of a body that has been in existence since 1966. Is it that they just want to make a mechanisms to ensure there is no more access to care, or what is it?
Na kurumirira kuhetukio kwa watho ucio ni mbunge cieri riu Kmpdu ni marugamitie cira igoti-ini makienda watho ucio rugatwo mbaru ni honge motungata ma ugima wa mwiri ni wigiriki wa thirikari cia kaunti na riu minister wa ugima wa mwiri thirikari-ini nene ni wohetwo wigiriki munene watho-ini ucio.
Societies we've come together and we have gone to court. As Kmpdu we have already gone to court over this particular Social Health Insurance Act, but now we've been joined by other bodies. We've been joined by Gatiba Institute. We've been joined by other health unions. We've joined by the Union of Civil Servants, and we believe this case is not only for the civil servants. It's a case that is going to bring sanity in the health sector, so that everybody can access care.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ritwa riakwa ni Wahetukirio.
Solidarity forever.